Hello everyone, I'm Usman, and in this tutorial I'm going to help you to understand how to write in APA 7th edition format. This is the cover page. As you can see in the cover page, the first thing you need to do is to write the title. You can see I have written a title here as a sample. After writing down the title, you have to go down here and write the name of the writer. If you are a student and this is your assignment, you can write your name. For instance, let's assume I am the student and I am writing my own name here. The next thing is to write the name of the institution. Let us say the institution name is number H9. The third thing is to write the course number and its name. For instance, let us say the course number is CS109 and its name is Introduction to Software Engineering. Here you have to write the name of your instructor. You have to write the name of the teacher who has given you the assignment. Let us say the assignment has been given by Dr. Muzaffar Khan. Here you have to write the deadline. You can write this in other formats as well, such as December 29, 2020. Now down here we can see we have to write the title again. This is the same title as I have written here. However, in the header you have to write the shortened title. You can double click here and write the title in a short way. Once you are done with the cover page and the title, you have to start the assignment. The most important thing of any format is to learn the headings. This is the first level heading in APA. The first level heading is bold and centered. The second level heading is here. The second level heading is bold and left aligned. The third level heading is bold, left aligned and italic. The fourth level heading is bold and indented. The fifth level heading is bold, indented and italic. The content of fourth level and the fifth level of heading starts right after it ends, as you can see here. In the last here you can see a section named references. You have to mention all the sources from which you have gained help while writing the assignment. Well, this was an easy and a brief overview of APA 7th edition sample. I will provide a sample in the description. However, if you have still confusion with the levels of heading, you can watch the next video. In the next video, I'm going to explain different levels of heading in APA in a very detail. For all of that and more, please subscribe to this channel.